Hi everyone, welcome to the Lasfit channel. In front of me is our new OEM style auxiliary switch bank for the 2018 to 2021 Jeep Wrangler JL or the 2019 to 2021 Jeep Gladiator JT. Both of the switch installed in a factory location. The cool thing about this switch bank is you can able to use it once you have it installed. You don't have to take your Jeep to the dealer to program anything. And they look like it came from a factory. The switch bank comes with a heavy-duty fuse box with a IP66 waterproof rating. You can order the full kit together. You'll get a red switch assembly, a black switch assembly, 2 mounting brackets for the fuse box, a cigarette lighter harness, and 2 switch assembly harness, a CB radio cable, some zip ties, a bag of screws and nuts, and 2 waterproof fuse box. This is the black switch bank. For this option, you get a black switch assembly, a mounting bracket, a fuse box, a cigarette lighter harness, a harness for the switch assembly, some zip tie, and some screw. For this option, the fuse box have 2 sets of output. One will be in the engine compartment next to the main battery, and the other set will be under the driver's side kick panel. This is the red switch bank. For this option, you will get a red switch assembly, a mounting bracket, a fuse box, a cigarette lighter harness, a harness for your switch assembly, a cable for your CB radio speaker, some zip tie, and some screws. If you have questions, you can leave comment below or you can email us. You can check out the product from our website.